Would you look at that? Today's Monday, May 4th, 2020. Daily directions, if you're looking at it, you're seeing me. The attendance form, don't forget to look at it. Fill it out. Specials, make sure you're looking at it. It's been updated. Our Meteor specials now, it gives you through the week. Just look at it right here, especially right here. If you just look at it, you can see that there are no related arts on on Tuesday, May 5th. If I would have just looked at it, I would have seen that it said that. So tomorrow, Atkinson, just look at it. PE, Cooper, just look at it. Art, Zent, look at it. Library, and Zook, just look at it. Has music. Again, if you look at it right here, no related art today on Tuesday, May 5th, lighter load. Let's go back to the PBL agenda and look at it for a second. Discussion question. Don't forget to both look at it and do it. If you could invent something that would make life easier for people, what would you invent? Okay, so not only something to look at, but also something to help people. Keep those things in mind. If you look at our objectives today, don't tell anybody, but just look at it. I took it out of here. Same technology ones as we've been looking at before, but I took it out so I could put this picture in. Look at it, but don't tell anybody. Essential question, if you look at it right here, it's how can today affect tomorrow? Hopefully we've been looking at that over the last couple of weeks. If you look down here and you look at the agenda, just look at it for a few minutes. Get yourself a little tidy and make sure you know what you're doing. If you just look at this right here, it's a quarantine jib jab. Just made it. It's kind of funny. If you want to look at it, then go ahead and look at it. Continuing with our living history presentation, I've been looking at these for the last couple weeks and putting grades in the grade book. Make sure that you look at it and get it completed for this week. Notice if you look at it right here, it says March 4th, 6th, 8th. All of those living presentations will be due by Friday. So if you look at it, don't have to submit it until Friday the 8th because they probably won't be graded until all of those are in because I can't get partial points. So just make sure that you look at that. Speaking of looking at it, modification here to our our living history presentation. If I just look at it and stop talking, it'd be a lot easier. Just look at it right here. The question for today, let's see if I can look at it up here. Living presentation for Monday, May 4th. If you just look at it right here, it says, what are some facts and some common myths and misconceptions about the coronavirus? So if you're looking at it and you're thinking, I don't know what that question means, tell me some things that are facts, and then go online and research some things that people think are going on with it. But you're looking at it and you can tell that those are myths or misconceptions about the coronavirus. If you look right here, it also says find some pictures that represent your answer to this question. So don't forget to look at that part. I put it in parentheses here, so don't forget to look at it. I've also highlighted it here, so if you look at it, you can see that this is all highlighted in yellow. So make sure to look at that. Going back to the PBL agenda, definitely want to make sure that you're looking at this. I'll move my face here for a second so you can look at it. We have a new Achieve 3000 article. It's called Ooh, Don't Touch That. Don't touch it, but you can look at it. If you go up here, it is an article that is about some viruses, actually a couple years old, but I think it holds true with what we're going through today as well. So if you get a chance, look at that. It just has to be due by Friday. So make sure you're both, again, looking at that and also completing it on time. If you look right below, Google Meet with me at 11 o'clock. I'd like to look at you. That sounded wrong. If you would like to meet with me so that we could talk together and have community circles, we will be meeting tomorrow at 11 o'clock, normal time, normal Google Meet password. So if you just look at it right here, you can look at it. Just make sure that you're looking at this, looking at it and clicking it. And then lastly, I see that only 26 seconds left. If you look at this has been here for the last couple weeks. Our administrators would like you to look at and fill out the survey. So if there's nothing else, have a great day. If you have any questions, please let me know. Don't forget, just look at it.